Hello everybody and welcome back to Weekly Dividend Investing. We're currently sitting at $1,400 total invested with a portfolio size of $15.07 with a weekly change of positive $18.46. Now I will say this is an amazing change from the previous week. Obviously we were down $5, but I do want to also note that with this $18 change we're actually down about I think $18 just from yesterday to today. So if we ended up doing this report yesterday, we would have been up an additional now it's $20. We would have been up an additional $20, which would have put a weekly change at $38.46, which would have been nuts. Which would have came into close second, but since I am a little delayed on this video, we're recording on Tuesday. No biggie. Still, $18 change is kind of awesome. A lot of stocks ended up going up this week. I'm not really sure why. I was on a cruise, so I had no idea what was going on. I just came back to all of my accounts being a little bit higher than usual, which was awesome. Let's go ahead and go to our total return here. You can see 3% from ORC is down, ARR is down 2%, which is the big ones that just recently dropped. Everything else is pretty steady, pretty on and off. But yeah, let's go back to over here. So we got ORC at 364. We ended up dumping 75 into it for the weekly investment. ARR has gone up $6. With the 75, it doesn't look like this actually increased that much. So it looked like it increased and then went back down. I think because when I bought the 75, it actually ended up decreasing the next day because we're down 11 as a result of it. So I ended up buying, when did I buy this? I think it was a little bit ago. So there was growth here, but it's not visual because I bought in at a high, and so when it went back down, it looked like it broke even. But $6 increase on ARR is 8 cents decrease. SCHD, we put in another 25 into for this week, so that brings us to almost $100 there with a very little increase. It looks like we got about 60-cent increase there. AGNC is actually down about 22 cents, it looks like. PSEC down 6 cents. USOI up $7, which is kind of awesome. PBR additional $5 as well. MO up by $1. Main up by around 70 cents, and then VOO up almost a full $1. So these big boys are increasing steadily over time, which is awesome for the total weekly change of 1846. Let's go ahead and head to our stonks here. As you can see, we got our everything listed here. We got our profits margins listed here. Our total profits being 106.86 so far, which puts us at a profit percentage of 763. 1,400 invested, 1,506 portfolio, and this is continuing to fluctuate as usual. MO being the only one who's actually making us lose money at the moment with a whole $1.85. Come on, MO, get in the fucking game. Everywhere else we're seeing even a couple dollars profit. We got PSEC with 56 cents profit, PBR with $6.36 profit, which is looking awesome. But you can also see with our percent profits as well, just increasing over time. Our ORC actually has ended up dropping due to the last couple of days of, or last day of declination, make it worse now, but still solid fucking profits that we're making overall. So it's a 10% profit in what, 14 weeks? I'll fucking take it. That's nuts. So looking at a yield of 21, 23, and 24% for the year. MO, even though we're investing in, we're not getting much returns. We're hoping for that to change soon when dividends start getting paid out with them. Speaking of dividends, let's go over, hop to our dividend spreadsheet here. We have MO just for $1 on January 10th, so we're hoping when we start getting picked up on those payouts, then we'll start seeing a little bit more in terms of profitability. USOI and ORC ended up paying last week. ARR is supposed to be paying this week, so this has been a very profitable $7 week roughly, which has been nuts. And then we don't have any more payouts really predicted except for the PBR and PSEC, so we're looking fine there. Head over to our calendar real quick. We still have 1148 for January, which is solid month and is our highest paying month so far. But we will definitely see what February has to come as everything else comes rolling in. It looks like that's going to be it for this video. If you guys enjoyed, as always, please be sure to comment, like, subscribe for more. Oh, I do have one additional thing here. I have made a Patreon that you guys are totally welcome to join. There's not going to be much with it. I'm just going to be posting my spreadsheets here because I've had people ask about it. and it's just $5 a month if you want to join. And I'll upload these monthly. So in February, I'll be posting the new updated version of the spreadsheet, and I'll be deleting the January version. And the reason why I just do it monthly is so that in case there's any changes with Google Sheets for whatever reason, you guys will be able to have the more newer version. And that's basically it. I'll probably add more stuff as time progresses, but for the time being, the only thing that's really worth value is the spreadsheets, because I've been informed that you guys are very interested in them, and yeah, so I'm adding that. But that's it. If you enjoyed, comment, like, subscribe for more. Hope to see you all next time. Adios. Have a fantabulous day. Peace.